Tori Mitness. I'm a buyer's agent with the Robert J. Fisher team in Round Rock, and we'd like to invite you to our virtual tour open house at 2900 Cotton Gin in Round Rock. This house is located in the Northfield subdivision, which is between Gaddis School Road and Lewis Hinton Boulevard. The house faces south, and so I'm going to turn the camera around and we're going to get a look at the street view, and then we're going to go into the house. Today I'll be here from 12 to 2. If you'd like to come by and see the house in person now that you've seen the tour, maybe this is the place for you. Here is the home. It is a Meritage home. It was built in 2018. It is a corner lot. Here's the street view. To the west, those are the lights of the practice field and baseball field at Cedar Ridge High School. There is down the street, and here is Cotton Gin. We're going to go on into the house. There is a really nice covered front patio if you'd like to put a glider or some chairs, large potted plants. You have a lot of space out here. All right, let's go on into the house. This is a 3-2-1 home. It's got 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. We're coming in the foyer. There is a nice window here. The flooring is vinyl wood look tile. It's through the whole downstairs. Then we start with the living space. There are many blinds throughout the house. There is a ceiling fan here. Then we're going to go on into the dining room area. There's windows, there's recessed lighting, and then you have the open kitchen with a really nice bar, some pendant lights. The bar has a built-in under the mount sink, and they have 3 bar stools. You could maybe fit 4. Great place to hang out when you're cooking or eating breakfast or having a quick snack. There's lots of cabinet space and counter space in this house. There are white cabinets. The granite is very, very pretty. There is a gas range, built-in microwave. We're going to go ahead and take a look in the pantry. Pantry is huge, lots of shelf space. You can fit everything you need in here and maybe some extra to spare. We're going to go on. We're going to turn around and look back towards the front so you can see how big the space is. Right here we have a storage closet, coat closet. There's a lot of room there. You could store anything, keep your vacuum cleaner like you see there. And then we have this really nice drop zone that goes into the garage. We're going to go out to the garage later, but I'm just going to show you. There is a bench, there's space for storage, there are 4 hooks, and then cabinets and storage above. Now we're going to go upstairs. When we came in, the stairway was to our right. We're going to just go up 2 stairs. There is the half bath, again with the wood look tile, and it is a really nice space. Pedestal sink. You have enough room in here. If you wanted, you could put a table or a cabinet. Then we're going to go back out up the stairs. The stairs are carpeted. And above the stairs, you have some really nice windows that bring in good light. There are 3. Back up the stairs again. We're going to start with the living space. There is a lofted space up here. It's a really nice size. There are windows. We're going to go down the hall to the right first. First thing to the right is the laundry room. There is tile in the laundry room. There are built-in cabinets above. Here are the built-in cabinets. And you also have space for laundry baskets or anything else you may need to put in here. We're going to go on down the hall. We're going to take a look at this second bathroom upstairs. There's a window in the bathroom. Really nice fixtures. What I like is that it is a double vanity. You have 2 sinks, All of the fixtures are stainless steel, chrome. We're going to go in and look at the bathroom. There's tile surround in the shower. There's a shower rod. You obviously have the toilet and the bathtub. And again, tile on the floor here. We're going to go straight across the hall into the first bedroom on our left from the living space. It's a really nice sized bedroom. There is one window and there's carpet. We're going to go in and look at the closet. It's a great size closet, carpeted, and you also have shelves and racks, double racks in here, and it's well lit. We're going to go back out down the hall. Again, to our left, there is a linen closet right here. And then you have the third bedroom, which is again carpeted, really nice size. And when you walk back, there is a window, and they also have a walk-in closet here, same as the other. Carpeted, 3 racks, shelving. So you can see it, there we go. All right, now we're gonna go back towards the master bedroom. We're back towards the living space and at the stairs, and then there is this great area right here. If you work from home, you can have your office space here. You can have your kids do their homework here. There are drawers and cabinets. It's granite. You could also do crafts, or if you have a sewing machine, it's just a great space that's kind of an extra bonus. All of this is carpeted. Now we're going to go into the master. There is a ceiling fan, 2 windows, carpeted. It is a very nice size bedroom. I just want to give you the whole view. There's lots of space for your furniture, if you need to do a television. And then you have double doors into the master bath. The ensuite bath, again, is beautiful. Double vanity, white cabinets with quartz countertops. There is a walk-in shower with tile surround with a bench and a rain shower. Again, there's tile on the floor in the bathroom. Then we go into the water closet, which is a good size. And then finally, the master closet in the bathroom, carpeted, and you have built-in shelves. Right when you come into the left, you have 2 racks. On the left, you have some shelving there. There is a window in the closet, and then again, you have 2 racks with shelving on the top here. We're gonna go back out. We're gonna go back downstairs and look out the back of the house. This home was built in 2018, like I said, by Meritage. We go back down the stairs. There's a little landing here. The house is 2315 square feet. There's really good use of the space in this home. You have a lot of space to put your things or to have minimal, if that is your aesthetic look. We're going to go out the back into the garage. There is a little bit of a step down, and then there is a tire bump. It is not very bright. It is a 2-car garage, and there is a little bit of space here on the side for storage, or on that side. I'm going to open the garage and we're going to go out the back of the house. So the thing about Northfields is Northfields has alley entrance from the back. All the garages are on the back of the house. So you enter from the back right into your garage and come right into your house, and then the front has street parking if you need it. So again, we're on the corner looking back north, and then this is the alley that you would come down to park. We're going to come back and look at the house here. Here's the back of the house. It is hardy plank. The house is brick exterior on 3 sides with hardy plank on half on the back, and then you've got stucco on the half. Here is between the 2 houses, your green space. On the front, you also have limestone. When we walk back to the front, we'll look at that one more time to give you one last look at the house. Again, here we are on the side. This is a beautiful home. If you are interested and would like more information, please text your name and email to this number, 512-788-1794. Again, if you're interested, text your name and email to 512-788-1794, and we can answer any questions. Again, I'll be here from 12 to 2 today. If you'd like to come by and see me, this is 2900 Cotton Gin Drive in Round Rock, Texas, 78665. My name is Tori. I look forward to seeing you or meeting you. The Robert J. Fisher team is here to serve you and answer any questions or get any information about this home. Like I said, it does have rock on the front bottom half, and then it's brick on the sides with stucco and hardy plank on the exterior on the back side of the home. It has a great yard. Let us know if we can help you. Thanks for watching our virtual open home.